Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Happy Thursday, everybody. It's day 52 of the Quarantine Gardeners. That's Sean and I. And we're out here in our front yard again with another project.
Yep. Today we're going to plant some tomatoes in our raised beds.
Yeah, we got these beautiful tomatoes sent to us from All America Selections. And we are so excited to put them in our front yard and watch them grow and produce.
Yep, we're going to see how they do out here.
We'll show you where we're going to plant them and then we're going to get to work.
So there you go everybody. We planted all of our tomato seedlings from All America Selections.
And surprise, we didn't realize, I guess, when we pulled them out of the original box that we didn't have 4 plants, we had 7.
Yep, 3 out of the 4 different tomato plants actually all had doubles.
So we weren't really counting on 7 plants, we were counting and spacing out for 4, so we kind of crammed 7 in where 4 would normally fit. So we'll see what happens. We'll have tons of tomatoes, it's gonna be amazing.
It's gonna be exciting. So if you have any comments or questions, make sure to put those down below. Give us a thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and hit that subscribe button so you get updates on our newest videos.
And that's all for today, so have a great day ahead. We'll see you tomorrow on Friday, day 53.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.